Maverick is still dreaming. Jamaica send home the big bad Brazil. We send them packing from the World Cup and advance to the second round. Today is a historic day, crafted, created, and executed by the Reggae Girlz with the model of tenacity, commitment, resilience, and heart. As a team, the camaraderie, the synergy was unstoppable, not to mention the prudent and pragmatic execution of the tactics prevailing in a group with France and Jamaica's football heroes, Brazil. Yes. This has got to be the best football feeling since France 1998. And look, outside of feeling good, there's a big teaching moment here. How did the Reggae Girlz plot their way into the last 16 of the World Cup? How them do it? Yes, yes. May I give you a clue? Them do it 3 times. Yes, yes. How them do it? May I give you another clue? Yes, yes. What them? What them? Whatever. Yeah, these are clean sheets. Yes, 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 yes. Not 1, not 2, but 3 clean sheets.